Here's your latest Kansas City forecast from meteorologist Wes Peery.
Again, so glad there's a happy ending to that story, and the little boy's okay.
Absolutely, but this is the time of year where everybody's flocking to pools and lakes trying to get some relief.
And next week, I think the pools will just continue to be very, very busy. It's going to feel like about 100 to 110 almost every single day next week. Outside right now, it feels like about 100, at least around the immediate Kansas City metro. 97 is what it feels like for many locations. Harrisonville, downtown, KCI, Lawrence, all with a 97-degree heat index. 94 in Blue Springs, Overland Park, and Bonner Springs. 92 is what the temperature is officially here in Kansas City. The pressure is beginning to fall as we have an area of low pressure drawing closer to us, and that'll bring some rain chances up as we go into really late tonight into tomorrow morning. Something may try to show up at 2 a.m., particularly on the northwestern side of town, but it looks like some widely scattered showers and thunderstorms have a decent chance of getting into the Kansas City metro. Northwest Missouri and northeastern Kansas overall have the better chance of seeing thunderstorms. Temperatures for the rest of this evening fall through the 90s into the 80s and overnight eventually in the 70s. Here's 2 a.m. though, and a good chance for rain in Maryville, St. Joseph, and Atchison after midnight. It's after 2 a.m. Kansas City may see some thunderstorms, and the way things have been appearing, looking on the weather models, these may have some gusty to damaging winds with them if this line falls apart but still manages to decently hold together like what is being portrayed here. Now, I can't say with high confidence this is what will actually happen, but based on what's happened last week and the general setup here, we definitely could get some thunderstorms to blow all the way through the Kansas City metro, down into Harrisonville, Butler, and Clinton. That's 6 a.m. and there certainly may be thunderstorms down there in Bates County, Henry County, even over in Pleasanton and Garnett. Maybe even a thunderstorm left as we get into kind of Wednesday, kind of late morning, and then in the afternoon as well. If those thunderstorms fizzle out and they get into Kansas City, they may then pop back up in the afternoon. But then regardless of what happens in the morning or in the afternoon on Wednesday, there is a very good chance of showers and thunderstorms showing back up after 7 p.m. That's Wednesday night and into Thursday morning. And by 9 o'clock, we may be seeing some scattered to widespread showers and thunderstorms all over the place. And then Thursday, look at that, 80 degrees with the high temperature on Thursday, as we may have occasional showers and thunderstorms around throughout the entire day. This weather model does not buy the whole bringing thunderstorms through overnight. That's fine. We'll have to just wait and see what happens with that situation. But Wednesday night into Thursday, here is a cold front, and this will likely bring the entire area some rain. That front then gets held up just south of us with some cooler air here coming in on the backside and moisture trying to lift through. That keeps rain chances around for much of the day on Thursday, maybe even for Friday as well. Here's 7 a.m. Friday. That front begins to lift back through. That's a way to get rain. And Friday, another pretty good chance of rain, 50% chance of rain. And then Friday night, especially across northern Missouri, we may have some widespread heavy showers and thunderstorms, which could eventually lead to some minor flooding. So I think the two best opportunities for rainfall, Wednesday night and Friday night. We're generally looking at about an inch, but there could be as much as 2 to 3 inches in isolated spots, and I can't rule out some people only getting about a half of an inch. We'll get through some relatively cooler temperatures Thursday and Friday, and then next week, that's when it feels like about 100 to 110 every single day.